What is going on, my money squad, on this lovely Thursday as we on the weekend's eve, getting ready to celebrate the weekend, right? And Black History Month is almost over with. Man, did it go fast. We almost into our third month of 2021 and the birds are happy. It is nice and sunny. Got to get out here and enjoy this beautiful day. If you're returning family member or a new family member, thank you for hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. I wasn't trying to drop too many videos because you got to let it catch up. You don't want to overload the system and all of that good stuff. Hope everyone doing well. For those of you going out to the tote fours, I hope you didn't try to do your leg work because look like these joints are going to be a limited GR. There may be a lot of stores getting them, but they're not getting many pairs. They may be getting one full size one. So if you got a chance to put in them raffles, do your leg work. I'm kind of salty right now because I should have had this shoe a month ago. I ordered it from GOAT, but somehow UPS lost my shoes. The driver probably running around here with my tote for it. Hey, but that's neither here nor there. Emoneyshoes, get over it. Now I got this pickup. It's been a couple of weeks I had it, but as you can see, box here, so got my shadow. As you can see, a PP personal pair, size 10 and a half. Men, size 12 for the ladies. University red, lucky green. Suggested retail price $225. Now before we open up the bottom of the yard to see what colorway it is, just real quick, go over to subscribe to my family member 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. They're all trying to hit that 5K, as well as subscribe to our Who Has the Heat channel, because we're going to be back at you actually for Who Has the Heat March 20th and for call outs March 13th. So put that on your calendar. You feel me? We open it up, got this little box right here. You got nice little undisturbed paper. Got this from StockX, as you can see. We're just gonna do one. Y'all don't need to see the both of them. We're gonna get the gist of it, and bam! Christmas in LA. I know Christmas is past us and all of that good stuff, but we're gonna have Christmas in February. Is that okay with y'all? Is that okay with y'all? Thank you, I appreciate it. But look at these joints. Y'all know red is my favorite color, and these joints are fire. Lebron, these are comfortable. This is probably the most comfortable silhouette out of all of them. Maybe I might be biased. As you can see, my StockX little medallion hanging on there. People think that's cool, rocking the StockX logo or tag on the shoes, but no, E-Money shoes is too old to be around here rocking StockX tags on my shoes, so that won't be happening. Underneath the bottom, you see you got that Zoom icy bottom with the pod, with the LJ and that green. So yeah, that just automatically give you Christmas vibes, right? Christmas vibes. Then you got that battle knit fly knit. I think it's battle knit posit 2 right there. As you can see, all the red, the stitched in swoosh coming up all over it. I mean, you can just get an up close and personal look. This is a very well crafted shoe. Red laces. Then you got these pods here. The only thing that don't make any sense is this big, ginormous Dumbo tongue with air in it. I don't know what's going on with that. And as you coming around on the side, you can see more of that zoom, kind of like where it meets with the air unit, as you can see. So you see that, and then I like to get the hits of the gold right here, which is very dope. And then you're coming around, you see you got signature right there, and you got LJ on the back, kind of got that translucent feel right there, like so. And all of this outside noise I got going on in the video, but hey, it is what it is. It's a one-take Jaker, nothing spectacular. So then you got your swoosh, which is green, give you that Christmas vibes, right? You bring everybody good vibes. I don't think I see any hidden eggs or Easter eggs in this shoe. You got green hits on the laces as well. And then you got this ginormous shoe tree. Y'all already know when you run your stuff across StockX with the 4D or your camera, it should come out to StockX 1-800 number. And you can see it's not like the Jordans where it gives you the shoe size, just like one big slip on, which is very interesting. As you can see, got the lion for the King James logo inside, which is very dope. And then you got your other stuff you can see inside. You do your 4D code and all of that good stuff. So you pretty much get the drill. So like I said, Christmas by day, or Christmas Day LA, and this joint is very, very dope. So I think you like the Colorado really stick out, so you be able to find me wherever, and you be like, that's Emoneyshoes right there, right? And as you can see, got a little bit of pull tab right there to help you get on the shoe. But because of the material, I have no doubt you won't have a problem putting the shoes on. So only let me them. I got to give this shoe, let me see how much this shoe, 200 some bucks, I think about 250 resale. So with that being said, I don't know if it's worth 200 bucks. I got to deduct for that. But the comfort, the colorway, I might be biased. I'm gonna give it about a 4.7 out of 5. A 4.7 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think about this shoe. Would you buy it, or is it too bright for you, too much red for you? Leave a comment suggestion below. We can chop it up. I know y'all prefer to see it on feet. I get it. Yes, I hear. Maybe I just do them all in 1 week or something and surprise all you guys. But nonetheless, like I said, leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, or thumbs down, whatever you way. Just do something. Much love, peace, and hair grease. I'm out. Deuces.